joining us on the continuation of our Fort Davis Wildlife Loop. Here we're making our way down from the McDonald observatory. But on the way we took advantage of a really neat rest stop with some awesome trees. I hadn't climbed any trees since I was a kid, but I was feeling saucy that day, so I figured this old cripple would give it a try. I like climbing a tree.
Oh, well, aren't you a cute little tree monkey?
I used to love climbing trees. I like to see ones that are a little easier to get into.
You just had a little stepping stone to help you with that one.
That's a big step.
Ha! Come on down, baby.
See if I can fall flat on my face.
Come on down, baby. Which way you coming? This way?
This way.
And down you go. Smooth as that.
Well,
Cool. You ready for a ride?
I am.
Let's go put some miles on Connie.
Okay.
As you can see, it's gorgeous out here.
Pretty awesome.
Just gorgeous.
Incredible view. Here, George is going at a fairly good clip. Of course, we sped it up for you guys so you wouldn't get bored. But he decided all of a sudden to stop at this overlook and failed to mention it to me, so I was a little bit nervous, thinking, are we gonna go over?
See if we can make it. Let's see if we can make it.
Not gonna happen.
Sweet!
Alright, baby. Even though I trust you completely, I was getting a little nervous here when you would stop me very quick.
It's like, oh gosh, it's murder-suicide, all wrapped up in one. Spot. Let's roll her on out. Oh crap, guess what? Steering's locked. Helps to do that. I have bad news. That seat is really hot. All right.
The drugstore that we're passing by is a really popular place to eat here in town. But since we had plenty of food back at our camper, we decided to go back there and have lunch. George made us some steak and, well, he didn't make the potato salad, but he's good at serving it up. And my favorite Moscato, cupcake Moscato. I love this stuff and I could drink it every night, but of course I can't because it's not on my diet. After enjoying a nice meal and then having a nice afternoon nap to help recharge our batteries, then we headed back out on the motorcycle to go to Balmorhea. But if you want to find out what happens on our trip to Balmorhea, you're going to have to tune in next time, boys and girls. So we'll see you then.